Hi guys, welcome to Ukunda Home, a place where we talk about tricks and tips to elevate our homes. And today we're going to design a room together, step by step. I'm going to take you through the whole design process. And sometimes if you watch this video here, I've talked about finding a design concept, planning and aesthetics. On this stage, you design a mood board to know how you want to feel in your place, what you want in your place. So we're going to be answering actually this question here. Someone did ask this, so it will be a step by step to take you through the whole process of an interior designer. This video will also apply for people who want to design a fall interior, because African interiors are inspired by the rich African soils. Listen to this so that you understand what I'm talking about.
From Sahara Desert. It's from the big desert of Sahara. This yellow one from northern part of Senegal. This Lompoul Desert. This is from southern part of Senegal, from Casamance, Cap-Skirring. We get this one from central part of Senegal, the Sine and Saloum Islands. This is from Mauritania. This is the island in Mauritania. We get also this one from Gore Island. This is the local here, the beach of Gore. This is from the small desert of Tenere, from Niger, Burkina Faso, Algeria. And this black one is in Dakar. The sun from the darkest colors to the lightest. Almost done. So now we start doing the sun from the dark to the light. Always from the darkest colors to the lightest. Okay, it's nice. You give me some applause, right? You give me some noise. That's it. Yes, even it's not
So yeah, African interiors are inspired by earth tones, which are the browns, forest green, terracotta, and of course the classics, which is black and white. Yeah, so we're going to focus on two things. We're going to design two mood boards for a family with kids and one for a family without kids. Two mood boards, in other words. So I'm going to show you my screen and then we're going to just search Canva. And here we are, and I'm gonna create a page. What I'm gonna start with, I'm gonna find a photo which will give me on where to start from. So that's what I would do. So I'm going to go ahead and crop it and film a afro. The first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm going to go to Amazon, pick all the photos that I'll be using. For instance, I'm gonna start with this sofa, which I already selected actually. In case you guys would want to use these mood boards, most of the products, some of them won't be available, but most of the products that I'll get will be from Amazon so that you can access them. Yeah, so we found this chair here. You can see, okay, I love the reviews. Some people have bought it, so I'm gonna use, we'll be using this sofa. Well, you guys, I don't want to use products that you will hate, but you should read the reviews yourselves, and it's modern. I'm gonna use this in Afro Contemporary. I'm going to mix up styles, Afro Contemporary versus African Luxury, so I'm gonna do those two. I think some things I will just get them along the way as we go on. My next step actually is adding a statement piece or something to serve as a focal point. So let's head over to Caray. Okay, this is good. I'm gonna use this light here. It looks fantastic. Glass adds classness in any space, in any interior. And I'll choose the landscape format. So let's go, bring it back here. It's airy and it's inviting. Yes, I'm gonna add African textiles and then we'll see. Okay, this looks good. In mud cloth, black and white. Good. Okay, next what we're gonna need, we'll need a rug for this space, which is really classy. So I'll get a UT rug. Is that how you pronounce it? Sometimes I mix dosh, I think, with English, honestly. What do you think, guys, is missing? This design actually is already good. I think I like it. Anyway, what do you think is missing? What we're gonna add is a coffee table. And normally for this, I would go actually for a marble coffee table in a square because we have a round sofa, which is like, there's no straight line. So I need something to create that edge. I would use a white marble coffee table, but normally white doesn't look so good. You can see for your viewing purposes, I think I'll need to get a black coffee table and we'll see. I need to add a TV stand and I'm gonna use wood to bring in warmth. It's still boring, it's still cold because I don't know. Okay, this looks good. It looks good. Didn't like this mood board would be enough for anyone who is a professional. For viewing purposes, I'm gonna add so many different options like and then I'm going to use this statement piece, which is really amazing by a Kenyan designer. It's done. I'm going to do a screenshot and that is it, guys. What do you think? Do love it. I do love this design, honestly. And option 2, we're gonna go to another mood board, which is designing for a family with kids. This is where we started before. I just deleted everything, so we're gonna start with this and then design a whole new price. Some of the things that you need to consider when you're designing a family space, say we're gonna go for materials which are kid friendly, not linen like before, and we're gonna use leather. So I'm gonna need a starting point, and this time I need sort of like a window, so I'm gonna use this. Oh, damn. Look for everything I need. I'm gonna use this rug this time around, and then we need the sofa. This is good, but no, I'm gonna use this instead. Looks good. All right, screenshot, coffee table, a mirror. Okay, we're back here. This is our sofa, the one we got, and then we're gonna start with a design. Normally, when I'm designing, I start with a sofa, So let's add in this rug. So I'm going to create a statement piece. Normally a living space. I'm also mixing different tones, different shades of hue, of course. I want to create a statement piece, and this time around I'm not going to use art or a picture. So I'm going to use something else, which is a mirror. So I want to create a statement piece in this, I say, by using a mirror. And the lights you see in the mirror, of course they came with a mirror, but it's not something that I would want to use. I'm going to use instead natural shades, rattan, or sometimes it can be seagrass. It's all coming together. And this other style, it's more like we are leaning in boho, warm and more cozy and more inviting. So I'm gonna use these baskets. I'm gonna add throw pillows so that it can really feel so casual, not so formal. I got these ones also from Amazon in cotton, and then the pillows already, you guys know, I got them from Ukunda Home. Plants add freshness into a space. And then a console table, natural elements on top of it. Add a candle and this, but no, shouldn't be fit. And then I create something like stairs. Me and pictures, we can't miss. Just created these stairs to create a floor. Okay, guys, what do you think? This is a whole space done. Tell me what you think. If you like this, don't forget to comment and share with your friends. And also, if you would love these kinds of videos, if you would want me to do a bedroom, actually, just make sure you comment and then share with your friends. Depending on how this video will do, I think I can also do a bedroom. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. I'm glad you're here. Guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.